let's look at this example. 4 times 300. So we could say that 4 times 300 is 4 300s, 4 300s, 300, 300, 300, and 4 300s. Or we can think about it like this. That 300 is 3 hundreds, 3 times 100. So if we do 4 times 3 times 100, well, that's the same as saying 4 times 300. So first let's work out what 4 times 3 is. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12, and then we'll bring down the 100. So this, 12 times 100, is the same as this, 4 times 300. So 12 times 100, we take what we know about multiplying by 100. When we multiply by 100, we add 2 zeros to our result. So 12 times 100 will give us 1200s, 1200, or 1200. So therefore 4 times 300 is 1200. Let's try another one. We'll do 7 times 600. 7 600s. So we'll bring down this 600, we'll break it up. So 600 is the same as 6 times 100. And therefore 7 times 600 is the same as saying 7 times 6 times 100. We'll do the 7 times 6. 6 times 7 is 42. And then we'll multiply that by 100. And we've got 42. And add those 2 zeros. We've got 42 times 100 is 4200. 4,200. 4,200. So you should notice a few things happening. When we multiply by a multiple of 10, we could ignore the 0, do 3 times 4, which is 12, and then add the 0. When we're multiplying by a multiple of 100, 300 times 4. Once again, we do the basic fact, ignore the zeros, so 4 times 3 is 12, and then add those 2 zeros, 1200. So what would happen if we multiply by a multiple of 1,000? So 3,000 times 4, well, I think you can see the pattern. We do the basic fact, 3 times 4 is 12, and then we add those 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. And we can even go further. What if we had 30,000 times 4? The same pattern applies. We look for the basic fact, 3 times 4 is 12, and then we add on 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 120,000. And there we go. We've just learnt how to multiply by multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000.